We know what it looks like. Morning. If you've got aircon in your van, you're lucky. It's bloody beautiful. It's a bit warm in the UK at the minute. We're just going to go get James. We're going to fit a new board on an existing board. Basically switching out not so old board for a newer board. There's no spare ways whatsoever in the board that they've left. So we're going to swap it out. The armour's a bit gash, the way it's been glanded, and we're going to switch it out. So if you're watching this video on Friday or Saturday, then you've still got time. Me and James are going to go and play football on the 17th for a charity called Mind. Tons of prizes. If you buy a ticket, you get entered into a raffle. Loads of prizes. Lots of companies have donated stuff kindly to the cause. So we're playing the plumbers for the ultimate who is the best trade. Plumbers, electricians. We already know, because plumbers are basically glorified toilet cleaners. So yeah, me and James will probably score a hat-trick each. So it's in Barnsley. I'll put a link in the description if you want to have a look. But yeah, if you come, we'll see you there. Am I going to catch you eating biscuits? Am I going to catch him eating biscuits? He's eating biscuits. There we go.
As I found that ball.
Yeah, James lost his ball. Right, this is the board we are changing today. Look, it's completely full, no spare ways, no SPD. We'll show you the armoured in the back in a minute. Let's get on with it. What, a crowbar?
Yeah, wrench it off.
Cool. Look, someone's been here before. Look, pretty good. Don't IR insulate circuit 16.
It's probably us now.
It's probably us, to be fair. Definitely wasn't this guy. Edit Quest.
No. No.
Let's have a look then, mate. We know what it looks like. It's plot. Look. So no grommet strip. Look, you getting that? Haircut 100. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Gash, look. Gash in there. Yeah.
Lovely.
Mm. Also, just to note here, we got AC RCDs. It's a cheap board, isn't it? Really. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Should we be safe? There we go. Done. Easy as that. Them, James.
Who?
Pardon?
With who?
Not happy with them. That's very poor. That's very poor. Very poor, mate. Well, we got the main fuse out. He's over there. I'm just running through the iPad. We're going to put this board back, our CBO board back, exactly the same order as this one was. Obviously, glanding off the armoured, and we've got a SPD now. James is doing all the ring finals. What have we got? 3? Kitchen ring, first floor, and kitchen and ground floor sockets. And you got 0.84 on the lives, and the neutrals
0.83.
83. Do it again.
83.
Okay, do the lives again. Squeeze the old squeeze the ends, please. Squeeze the end, James, as you do.
Squeeze the end, Rose. 82.
Okay, now do the neutrals again. Squeeze them. It's within 0.1, so it's okay. That'd be nice to get it dead on, wouldn't it? 83. All right. Yep. Okay. And now do the R2, which is the CPCs, if you can find them. Yeah.
I can find them.
Okay. Right. Glad you know where they all go, James.
Find the board.
He has marked them, but I don't think they're going to correspond to our numbers, are they?
No.
But yeah, that's the armoured, and then you just a little bit gash. I don't know, what we're going to get is, we're going to go and get a 32mm gland for this, and then we're going to have to get some sort of metal box to fit behind the board, bring the cables in, bolt it to the conduit box would be ideal, but if they've got, I don't know if they've got a 32mm conduit box, we're going to have a look. We'll try TLC and, what's the other one there? CES.
CES, yeah.
The one I walked in and walked out of, yeah.
They're all there.
Gland him off, put a box in, bring the cables through, and then we can start making this off. Ah, Jesus. You know when you start a job on a Friday and you wish you hadn't? This is one of them jobs. Someone will say, put your grips. Get your grips around the right way, Chris. You don't have to use your tools properly. And they'll say, open them grips a bit more.
They wouldn't say that,
And
would
I'll
they?
say, no. Because that's perfect. There we go. This bit not really needed. It's waterproof gland. That's all we had on the van. Bite me. Happy with that. And then look up here. Look up here, James. It's a little boot up. So we've glanded off the armour properly. Both ends now. We came. Well, I did, didn't I? I come previously.
Yeah, I was somewhere else.
Did that one. So we're going to get that ring off of there now. Look. Little ringer. Managed to cut off all the badness. I've got enough length. We're now going to go and get a box to gland the 25mm armoured in, and then that armoured will go up and sit on the box, and then we'll bring the cables into the back of the board. Right, we're back. We just went and got a box. What we're going to do is fix that behind, gland that in there, and then bring the cables through the box into the board. So what we're going to do, put this box, bolt in on the back of the fuse board like that, gland the armoured in, because this is now a full enclosure, single insulation, I can strip him back inside and then bring him through the knockout in there with a grommet strip, bring the rest of the cables in there, and I might even bring a couple more through, a couple more of these knockouts with some grommets in, into that back of that board there. Right, we've drilled the holes in here. We have, fuse box are very tight, they only give you 2 bits of grommet strips, so fuse box, a bit tight. We've mitemated these on so they don't fall off. We're now going to bolt this to that, put that through there, and then get on with it. Right, box is on, glanded off, identified, bolt this to the board, put the board up, bring all the cables through, and start making it back off. Right, look, box is bolted, fully sealed around the back, look. Bloody beautiful. Just got to get this in the wall now, fixed to the wall, make him off. Client has kindly taken James off to the shop. One of my bugbears is with these fuse box board, a 25mm doesn't go in one of these, so we're going to get the pin lug, or I'll cut down a lug and put 2 pins in those 2 there to get that in there. Got the armoured in our little box at the back there, look, nice and flat. We need to cut this bit out just because the gland's obviously sat forward. We'll just put some plasterboard back in there. I'm going to get all the RCBOs in, and then we'll start making it off, and we'll get the cat along. How's the iPad going? Oh, you're Snapchatting?
Yeah.
Dear me. Right, we're not going to be finished today. We've got a bit more testing to do, but we've got the board back on. That one's the only one that's short. Look. Leave all the stuff. Right, we're done for today. Look, James has done a lovely label. Look. Nat. Right, we're going to leave that as you do. Turn the light off and get out of here.